But we'll get to the markets in just a bit. We begin the show by focusing on Mahindra Lifespaces. The company recently signed a license deed for a 19-acre land parcel in Tamil Nadu. Now, to discuss this and more, Amit Kumar Sinha, who is the Managing Director and CEO at Mahindra Lifespaces, is joining us now. Mr. Sinha, good afternoon. Thank you for joining in. If you could tell us more about this land parcel that you have acquired in Tamil Nadu. When do you expect this to start accruing into you? What is the kind of revenue potential that you are seeing from here?
So thank you for having me. I think this is a land parcel that we have sold to Nihon Park Rising. So this is part of our industrial business. As you know, industrial business, we have 5 parks, including the one called Mahindra World City, which is a partnership with Tamil Nadu government, TIDCO. So we have multiple marquee multinational clients who have found our industrial parks very attractive to set up their businesses as part of China Plus One, Bangladesh Plus One strategy. So Nihon is a major Japanese client and had been looking at India participation for quite some time. And we had the perfect land for them at our World City, Chennai. So this is part of their entry into India in a significant way. So it is part of our industrial business, which is quite big for us. 19 acres, that means they will set up a large investment in Tamil Nadu to support Indian as well as global requirements.
Mr. Sinha, actually that clears quite a bit of doubts that we had regarding this particular development that you had put onto the exchanges. So what we understand is, as part of the lot of land that you hold in the Mahindra World City, this is one particular lease agreement that you signed with a Japanese client. So now give us the contours of this particular agreement that you signed. What is the period for which this particular lease agreement has been signed? What is it an upfront payment that you will be receiving from your client, or is this an annuity-based payment? And also, along with that, Q4 has been quite solid in terms of news for your company. Anything else expected in the last 10 days?
So let me answer your question. So you're right. This is a sizable deal. The 19-acre parcel would be quite substantial for any company. The contours of the deals are, one-time lease payment, as we call it, but it's a sale payment. So they pay us, let's say, X amount, and given this is Q4, we are in the quarter end period. I can't go into the specific details of the deal term, but it's a one-time payment. And then as they come in and they own this land parcel for, let's say, 99 years of lease, there is something called O&M, operations and maintenance, that we charge to them on a per acre basis, on a monthly basis. So that's the recurring annuity business, but that tends to be not major. The upfront payment is the major part of the contribution. So that's how that's being designed. But Q4 is going to be hopefully good for all of us. We are working hard towards closing it, but we are in the final stretch. A few deals, efforts underway will hopefully close the year in a solid footing.
Mr. Sinha, once again, thanks for clarifying that as well. So, could you give us a sense that come FY26, when they do come on board, with them and along with the other clients at Mahindra World City, both in Chennai as well as Jaipur, what will be the total percentage of top line that the rental part of the business or the annuity part of the business that has O&M, what will be that proportion? And also FY26, what is the expected top line? So that will give us a sense of what is the kind of growth we can envisage.
Yeah, so let me just highlight. So I'll give the industry. We have residential business and industrial business compared to some of our peers who have residential and commercial. And commercial has a bigger annuity business because you don't sell those office assets. You get lease premium every month. In our industrial, as I explained, you get an upfront payment, which is called lease premium, but it's actually a sale for perpetual lease. So slightly different. For our industrial business, we have 5 industrial parks, including Chennai, and we have Chennai World City and Origins Chennai, World City Jaipur, and then we're going to bring to market Pune, and we also have in Ahmedabad. Across all 5 industrial parks and world cities, our guidance has been we will be able to get a top line of somewhere between 400 to 500 crore per year. And it's something that will stay that way for some time before we start to launch any new, let's say, a new industrial park. And that will continue to be there. It's an attractive business for us. In terms of F26, I think that guidance is quite clear that we are trying to get to 400 to 500 crore in that business.
Among commercial and industrial, residential and industrial, which one do you think will lead the growth towards your FY28 plan? One sentence answer, Mr. Sinha.
Residential will be 80% of our top line, maybe more, because the residential pre-sales is a much bigger part.
Right.
Now, even the revenue realization of the project that we are launching will start to happen in 28, 29. So from a revenue recognition, which is slightly different, even residential business will become significant by that time.
All right, Mr. Sinha, thank you so much for sparing time and joining us. Wish you good luck for FY26 as well. We take a short break. Up next, we connect with the management of Tata Communications on their launch of Vayu, which is a next-gen cloud fabric designed to reduce cloud costs. Stay tuned.